In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a meeting on Google Calendar and communicate it clearly to all attendees. This process is straightforward and ensures that everyone is well informed about your change of plans, minimizing confusion and maintaining professionalism. To begin, you'll want to head over to Google Calendar. You can do this by opening your web browser and typing in calendar.google.com. Once you've reached Google Calendar, your next task is to locate the meeting you need to cancel. This could be a meeting scheduled in the coming days or even one that's planned a bit further down the road. Scan through your calendar grid until you find that specific event. When you've spotted your meeting, click on it to bring up the event details. This action will open up a pop-up window showing everything related to your meeting, from participant details to the agenda, if any. Now, to proceed with the cancellation, look towards the top of this event pop-up. You should see a trash bin icon representing the option to delete or cancel the meeting. Go ahead and click this icon. It's important to pause for a moment here since clicking the trash bin initiates the cancellation process. Upon clicking the trash bin, a new pop-up will appear. This notification asks if you'd like to send cancellation emails to all your Google Calendar guests. Sending this email is crucial as it officially communicates the cancellation to everyone concerned, ensuring they don't try to attend a meeting that no longer exists. Here, you have the option to choose Send, which is highly recommended. Once you've decided to send the cancellation emails, a space is provided for you to add a personal note. It's good practice to include a brief explanation for the cancellation. Your note might read something like, "Sorry, I need to reschedule due to a conflict. I'll send a new invite soon." Adding this note personalizes the communication and demonstrates consideration for everyone's time. After typing your note, confirm by clicking the Send button. What happens next is all attendees will receive an email notification that the meeting has been canceled. This email includes the note you just added, so they understand the reason behind the cancellation and that you plan to reschedule. And there you have it, the process for canceling a meeting on Google Calendar and ensuring all attendees are informed in a courteous and professional manner. Following these steps helps maintain clear communication with your team or your guests, showcasing a level of professionalism and respect for their time. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.